question marks. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to define a question mark, write questions using capital letters and question marks, identify the use of question marks and full stops.
Hi Fleck. Hey Zizi. Are you completing your school homework, Fleck? Yes, Zizi. Our class teacher has asked us to write some questions. These will be read in class tomorrow. Can you write one for me, Zizi? Sure, Fleck. Here, let me help you. What is your name? There, Fleck. I have written one question for you. Now you can make similar questions. Can you think of any? I know. Who is your best friend? Look, Zizi. There is something missing here, Fleck. What, Zizi? You have forgotten to put a question mark at the end. What is a question mark? I can see one on your face right now. I am kidding, Fleck. There's no question mark there, but you must know about it.
Hey, did I hear someone call my name? Oh, hello. I am a question mark. Would you like to hear more about me? Listen carefully. I am a question mark. I come at the end of a sentence that asks you something or about yourself or your friend. Who is that girl and what is her name? How old are you? Is football your favorite game? But there are some sentences, questions they do not ask. They end with a full stop. Giving answers is their only task. Now you know who I am and you know my place. It is at the end of a question that is my only space. That was a nice song, wasn't it? It told us about the use of the question mark and the full stop. A question mark is written at the end of a sentence that asks a question. It is written like this. A question or a sentence that asks a question begins with a capital letter and ends with a question mark. For example, where do you live? A full stop, on the other hand, is used at the end of a sentence that tells something or answers a question. Usually, a sentence that does not ask a question begins with a capital letter and may end with a full stop. For example, I live in a town.
So, Fleck, now do you understand the difference between a question mark and a full stop? Yes, Zizi. Thank you so much. Now I will get all these questions right in class. Yippee! I am sure you will. Fleck and I had so much fun listening to the question mark song today. A question mark is written at the end of a sentence that asks a question. A sentence that asks a question begins with a capital letter and ends with a question mark. A sentence that does not ask a question begins with a capital letter and may end with a full stop.